video I am going to explain about the neurotransmitter norepinephrine. It is otherwise called as noradrenaline. First of all, what is norepinephrine? Norepinephrine is a neurotransmitter or chemical messengers, and also it is called as hormones, which transmit signals across the nerve endings in the body. That means norepinephrine transmit the impulses in between the neurons. And where they found in, generally norepinephrine is found in three areas. Number one, brain. Number two, ANS in the sympathetic nervous system. Number three, adrenal gland. In brain, it is located in the locus coeruleus, limbic system and cortex. In ANS, it found in postganglionic sympathetic neuron nerve endings. In adrenal gland, the inner part of the adrenal gland's medulla, they secrete noradrenaline. Then what are the receptors involved in binding with noradrenaline? Alpha 1, beta 1 receptor, alpha 2, beta 2 receptors. Now let's see the synthesis of noradrenaline or norepinephrine. Noradrenaline is synthesized in the neuron from the amino acid is called as tyrosine. This tyrosine is obtained from diet as well as phenylalanine. In the presence of enzyme phenylalanine dihydroxylase that produces tyrosine. This tyrosine is converted into L-dopa, that is 3,4-dihydroxyl phenylalanine. In the presence of enzyme tyrosine hydroxylase. Further, the L-dopa is converted into dopamine by the enzyme dopa decarboxylase. Later on, the dopamine is converted into noradrenaline in the presence of enzyme dopamine beta hydroxylase. The synthesized noradrenalines are stored in the axonal part of synaptic vesicles. Whenever the impulse reached in the axonal part of the nerve endings that stimulate the synaptic vesicles present in the presynapse, that start to releases the norepinephrine from the vesicles, and then it transported to the across the synaptic clot to the post synapse. There it binds with the receptors and it promotes the impulse transmission to the target area and produce the physiological function. And some amount of the neurotransmitter norepinephrine present in the presynaptic cleft, they are reabsorbed by the adrenergic nerves, and some amount of the norepinephrine present in the presynaptic cleft, they are reuptake into the synaptic vesicles for reuse, and some amount of the non-absorbed remaining amount of the norepinephrine, they are metabolized by the enzyme MAO, monoamino oxidase enzyme. They are located in the mitochondria of the presynaptic cleft, and unabsorbed from the adrenergic nerves, norepinephrine is enter in the blood circulation. There it metabolized by the enzyme COMT, catechol ortho methyl transferase. It will break the norepinephrine and they are excreted through urine. So this is the way the norepinephrine synthesis, transmission and metabolism take place in our bodies. Now let's see about the functions of the norepinephrine. In the central nervous system, it produces the alertness, attention, concentration, anxiety, emotion. It also induces physical and mental arousal, motivation, memory, and also involve the mood. In ANS, it produces the fight or flight functions. In the emergency condition, it increases the breathing rate, it increases the heart rate, increases the blood sugar level, and it directs the pupil size. It increases the blood flow to the skeletal muscles and also it relaxes the intestinal muscles. The norepinephrine is decreased secretion synthesized or present in the brain that leads to one of the disorders is called as depressions. So these are about the norepinephrine neurotransmitter. Kindly subscribe and kindly watch this video. We will meet again.